G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about stacking the odds in your favor. So over the weekend I received a ton of emails, questions, all kinds of stuff, all different scenarios. I got screenshots with all kinds of indicators and everything. And one of the things I really want to hammer home today is the understanding of stacking the odds in your favor. The odds are already incredibly stacked against you as a retail trader, not only from a tactical perspective, but from a psychological perspective. Most retail traders, again, they're consumed with the idea of trading all the time. And the real benefit, or I suppose the real success rate, can come when you can identify high probability possible setups where the odds are skewed, not only in terms of risk reward, but in terms of the likelihood of that outcome succeeding or coming to fruition to be to your advantage as a trader. The problem with a lot of retail traders is that they make a trade and then they try to make another trade and they want to keep trading the market. And I've talked about this over and over again. I look for setups. I look for setups that I can potentially be scaling over time that are reproducible. And then I'm looking to trade those setups and then get out of the market and come back later and look at the market when it's set up into the next session, the next day, whatever that may be. And so by removing myself from the screen, I'm reducing the likelihood of myself over trading, getting into positions where I could be now entering into a consolidated market or a choppy market or any one of those scenarios, because the expansion phase or that explosive phase is now over or done, and now the market is going to go back into a consolidation prior to making its next move. But I know from my own past experience where my mistakes are going to occur and all the recurring patterns that most retail day traders are going to go through. The whole point is to lock it in and put it in your account and keep it, not give it back, and then reproduce that same tactical flawless execution in the next best setup, and then repeat the process over and over again and make sure that you don't deviate from the path on emotional, impulsive, self-destructive, self-sabotaging behaviors. So powerful to stack the odds in your favor. The odds are already stacked against you. Everything about the market is designed to play on your emotions. And so if you really dig deep and look at where all your mistakes have occurred, where all of your, biggest, I suppose, implosions have occurred, usually that's always comes back to not strategy, but emotion. And again, I'm not talking to people who are just learning how to trade. If you're just learning how to trade, you probably shouldn't be day trading. And if you are just learning, then obviously listen to this. Identify 2 or 3 really high probability setups and master those and only trade those. Don't worry about trying to predict the market or read all the different movements of the market or anything else. Identify some high probability times, some high probability setups that work with your schedule. The market's going to move at all different times, but it has, 3 main windows: Asia, London, New York. Master your own emotional state in terms of not deviating from that plan. Master that. Rinse and repeat. So learn to stack the odds in your favor, traders, and use all the market's tactics against them. So make this your best trading week ever. It's beginning of the week. We're gonna have a ton of opportunities. There's always opportunities. So have a great trading session, have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.